Hey guys, and welcome everyone to this magnificent and prosperous live stream. And the agenda for this live is of course going to be education. I'm going to show you how you can find the next 10x coins. And I'm going to show you a couple of trades that I'm in. And we're going to be talking about the current meta, about chill guy, and really everything that you need to know when it comes to trading meme coins. So I'm going to take just a few minutes till we start. I'm just going to wait for more people to join us. We're starting in just a few minutes, so if you are rewatching this live stream after it has been already live, then you can skip a few minutes past this current point. Yesterday we had a great 2-hour live stream. We had some people, 15 people at our peak. That was quite nice. But 4 months ago, when I used to stream, we had 50 people like consistently watching the live stream. So I'm hoping to, of course, resurrect my live stream viewership because the more people, the better, really. The more fun it is, the more interesting. And yeah, show me some coins if you guys have any plays. And I'm going to provide feedback and analyze all of your coins. And now I'll quickly shout out our live stream in my private Telegram course channel. Done, perfect. So let's start right now. And yeah, yesterday I was covering Chill Guy and two more coins related to Chill Guy. Actually, just this one, Gao, which I'm going to cover very shortly. And this I've actually found after the previous live stream and already got a very small position. And yeah, both my positions currently are up, as you can see here. Gao 30% up and Chill Fam 20% up. But let's start everything in order. The first coin I'm going to cover is Chill Guy, because Chill Guy has quite some chart. It looks really great. First of all, we have this resistance right here, and now it's acting as the support. So currently at 650 million is the new all-time high. And I do think that in the next few days, Chill Guy will reach a billion or 2 billion. And the reason being for that is, well, first of all, the chart is really calling up. And if you're active on X, previously Twitter, then you might have seen that even Mr. Beast and names of such are promoting Chill Guy meme. And you can see those beautiful higher lows that Chill Guy has been making. So it's really looking nice in terms of the volume and everything. And yeah, the first thing I open, of course, I see Chill Guy. And part of that is because Chill Guy has Binance longs and shorts now. So let's quickly take a look at that. And that means that shortly Binance probably is going to list Chill Guy. As you can see here, latest, that's from today. Chill Guy perpetual contracts with up to 75x leverage. And look at how much engagement this news is getting. You can see it's all over X. And Binance Futures, as you can see here, made an official announcement. Morpho and Chill Guy launched today, 27th. So that's actually very, very huge news. It's really calling up Chill Guy's over X, big meme, and hopefully will be listed on Binance soon. And we know what happens when coins are listed on Binance. Let's just take a quick look at Peanut, for example, which pulled a crazy, crazy move. This was like the most recent listing, so it's really the best example that we have right now. So we can see here Peanut is at 1 billion, but it did go as high as 2 billion to my knowledge, if not even more. Yeah, as you can see here. And this right here was before the Binance listing, to my knowledge. The coin was at $450 million in market cap. And then before the announcement, when the announcement happened and the listing, you can see this is the pump from that. Let's see how much percent it went up. And it went up 400%, even more, which is 5x, 5.4x to be more precise, which is crazy for a $500 million market cap coin. And Chill Guy sitting at 600 million. So once it's listed, I'm assuming that Chill Guy can of course go to a billion, 2 billion, and 2.5 billion, or even 3 billion. So I do see Chill Guy as a potential low risk 2x at the bare minimum opportunity, and at best a 5x, which is very good for a safe trade because you can ape with more soul into bigger conviction plays. And I do have some more low-key plays, and one of them that I'm tracking right now is Chill Girl, which I'm not that sure about, hence I'll cover it first before my conviction plays that I have for you. So this one did go as high as 22 million, as you can see right here, and it did have quite a dump, and now, today and yesterday, we just had a small second wave, which was great for a few X's. It did quite some percent, as you can see here, 1000%. So that's 10 or 11x. That's quite good. But the chart right now has very little structure. We just don't know how low it's going to go. There is no good support levels, there is no good setup, no good structure. It is just in a downfall, in a free fall. Hence, I'm currently just looking at this coin as a potential play in a few days when it becomes more clear what is happening on this coin's chart. So I'm just on the lookout for this coin, but it's kind of a duo that we have here, Chill Guy and Chill Girl, as you can see here, and it did go very high before, so that's why I'm looking at this coin currently. Now we also have Chill, actually not Chill, it's called One Unchill Gao, and then we have a low-key play that I'm also in. It's called Chill Fam, and this one is really, really high risk gamble, I have to point out. It did go to 27 million, twice actually, as you can see right here. However, it did have huge insider issue, and the coin completely rock pulled, and now it has no team, and there is a CTO team trying to revive this coin, but I'm not sure how successful that is going to turn out. But I'm trading this coin, holding it actually, under the assumption that if Chill Guy continues to perform, then of course this coin should follow to some extent. So 2x, 3x, 4x, this coin could do even more than that because the market cap is so low. And the reason that I think this could revive is that it went to 27 million. Despite this coin being a rug pull, CTOs work really well if done correctly. And this ticker is great. It performed before. So I assume this is going to perform to some extent. And we can already see some little higher lows in the making. So the last 2 days, this coin has been going up over time, very slowly. As you can see here, the lowest point was 150k, and now it's already up 2.5x. And at some point it was up 4x. But do your own research. This coin, this particular one, certainly is very high risk. But another one that I have that I very much like is GAO. This coin looks very interesting. It did go to 17 million at all-time high, as you can see here. And the chart looks great, looks healthy. I really like those higher lows that we are making here. And there is this support level at around 10 million, which is in a perfect alignment, with the perfect psychological level of 10 million. When it comes to coins like 1 million, 5 million, 10 million, 100 million, those are literally the best levels. And that's about the time that I bought in to this dip, as you can see here. And I was first waiting for a bounce from around this level, and then once I saw it, I entered at 9 million. And I never enter a full position when making the first trade, because when it comes to high conviction plays, you can DCA into a coin. So a day later, you buy more, or even a few hours, or in a few days. Just keep buying more, little by little, to even out your average position. Because coins go up, coins go down, but if you're confident in your play to go up over time, the price shouldn't matter that much. So just DCA. I think that over time, in a few days or a few weeks, this is going to perform well if Chill Guy is going to keep performing. And we do have a Binance listing coming very soon, hopefully, and this is like the beta play. So this like number 2 play, which we should assume will follow Chill Guy's steps. And I'm looking at around this zone, as you can see here, either 9 million or 10 million. So we have this little gap right here, which I'm going to fill, which I think currently is the best time to enter if you don't yet have a position. So anywhere between this price right here. So yeah, let me take a look at the live chat. Welcome everyone. Check Flix. Actually, I've heard about the name. Yeah, let's check it real quick. And just before we do so, let's take a look at GAO. Because people are shilling GAO right now as the beta play for Chill Guy, as I said. And this is similar to Peanut and Fred, for example. Yeah, beta play. And GAO has quite some good engagement. As you can see right here, I'm going to show you. It does have nice engagement, so people are looking at this coin for sure. For sure. Now let's take a look at Flix, which I've heard about before. I'm pretty sure I even looked at the chart, but I don't remember what I thought about this coin. 1.4 million. Yeah, I do like the chart immediately. I do like the chart for sure because we are making higher lows here. The chart doesn't have much structure, so we can't really analyze it besides just marking the resistance, which is the previous all-time high, and we are calling up right at the resistance level. So of course there are two scenarios right here that can possibly happen. First one being a rejection from the resistance, and second one being a breakthrough through the resistance and price discovery. And then of course resistance would become the support level and you could make a nice trade right here. $1.4 million in market cap definitely will be something I'm looking at, because if Chill Guy performs, I think this should perform as well. And they did make a tweet, something related to Chill Guy and Netflix. So let's take a quick look. And they have loads of followers, of course, and crazy engagement. Yeah, you can see Netflix and Chill Guy. I'm actually not quite sure what it means, but the engagement is crazy. 1 million views, 24k likes. For a meme, this is very good engagement. I'm not sure if it's a partnership or just like a meme, like Netflix and Chill, Chill Guy and Netflix. But yeah, definitely good engagement. I'll actually put this meme on a watch list. Yeah, I've already done that. And I really like those two coins. Yeah, Gao and Chill Fam. Really into them. Let's draw the new resistance level for Gao. And by the way, yesterday I was streaming at this point right here. At this point. So Gao was right at 10 million, and right after I ended the live stream, and I of course was talking about Gao being right at the resistance level, and it did go up 60% just after I ended the live stream. And resistance perfectly became the support level from which it had bounced multiple times, as you can see right here. So yeah, the coin is looking great. But now we have a new resistance right here at 16.3 million. As you can see here, an all-time high, and then it rejected from this resistance, and now it's going to try again shortly. I'm pretty sure. Where is Raxon from? I'm from the Baltics. I'm from Europe. How did you hear of ChillFam early? I actually saw ChillFam when it was pumping. During the time it was pumping, I think I saw it from the Explore section, and I actually forgot about it, but I just searched up every Chill Guy related coin today to ape into. And the only legit coins I found are Chill Guy, Gao, and the new one that I found today is, yeah, ChillFam. And I did find Flix earlier today, but for some reason I didn't save it. But I do like the chart, for sure. And market cap is attractive as well. It's really calling up, so I think I might put some soul into this for sure. I wish the volume was slightly better. 13.5k is, kind of low, but it looks great here. Let's check out the socials if they have some. 1k members in Telegram, voice chat is cooking, marketing wallet is being filled up, 8.5k holders, and there is some reasonable engagement. Let's take a look if there are some influencers behind this particular coin. Yeah, probably not yet. Probably not yet. 10k holders, this is good for sure. ChillFam has quite some holders and such a low market cap. So yeah, this is people who just invested at the top and lost their funds, and they're pretty much worth nothing at this point. But people are for sure going to see how high this coin had went before. And yeah, people do like those crazy reversal charts. I've seen it happen so many times. You know, coin dumping from the highest of the highs to the lowest of the lows, and then making a comeback. And when it happens, it's very crazy. It's absolutely manic and euphoric. Yeah, keeping an eye on Chilgao for sure. Let me know, guys, if you have any other kind of plays that you want to show. Happy to take a look at them, happy to analyze them. For the time being, I'm going to go to this explore section. And look for some new coins. Arismas is one I've heard about also, which is performing like crazy. Interesting. So this one is a scam. 11 months old. Let me see if I can find the legit one. Because it's a great name and Christmas is approaching. As you can see here, Christmas Eve, 3 days old. And this one does look legit. Yeah, this one looks legit. As you can see here, it's pumping today. Went to 2 million. So Christmas narrative is already starting. Even before December. So might be worth exploring for sure. Christmas. Do we have anything else? This one, 23 hours ago. Also very fresh, like pumping right now actually. Went to 600k. So Christmas coins are doing great. Riz 3 4 days ago. And also pumping today, as you can see here. And I'll actually put this one on a watch list. Very fresh coin. Low volume right now. Doesn't really have any kind of volume support for next push really. But the name is great. Risk 3 is unique. And that's about it for Christmas. Let me search up Christmas. Perhaps we do have something interesting. Merry Christmas. Where did it go? I don't know where it went. Merry Christmas. $700k in market cap at its 5 days old. Went as high as 1 million. Very low volume, but it might be interesting for the days and weeks to come. When Christmas narrative completely takes off, people are of course going to start with the oldest coins, and then the new ones are going to come and people are going to rotate. But people prefer older coins first. So yeah, we found something interesting for future plays, so that is quite good. Stress guy, $400k dollars in market cap. Went to 2 million. Name is great. It's in the narrative. However, the chart looks so weak and there is no volume. However, I'm still going to watchlist this. If some kind of crazy reversal happens, I'm going to see that and perhaps join this coin. But it looks dead for the time being at least. And the explore section on Bullx is just great to figure out what is the current narrative, the meta, and yeah, it's a great strategy really to trade in the narrative. I really think Chill Fam can pull a reversal from here, that's for sure. Really liking this chart of every single coin. Chill Guy, Gal, and Chill Fam. Let's take a look at this one. 5 million. Not quite sure what it's about really. But we'll figure that out. What makes you say the original Rismus is a scam? The token metadata was mutable. Let me quickly open it again. It did say there is an audit warning. Let's quickly have a look. Is token data mutable? As you can see here, it's the audit report from Bullx, and this is an issue here for sure. Let me check top holders. It has 100k holders. %, top 10 holders. Let's quickly take a look. Is this coin being tweeted about? Rismes. Because I saw the tweets, but I'm opening this chart for the first time. Let's take a look. Rismes. I actually do think it's legit now. You're right, this is for sure legit. This coin is the original. There are oftentimes fakey dakies being shown. Actually, no one is tweeting about it. Like in the latest, I can't see anything. Let's take a look if they have a next profile. 3k followers. Yes, they do have the engagement. Rismus. Yeah, it does look legit, that's for sure. It does look legit. Let's put it to a watch list. It's 11 months old, which was a bit weird because it's an old coin which was just randomly resurrected in that case. And it was created on 24th of December last year. So on the Christmas day. That's a very great timing. Perhaps that's why it's popping off. 45 million, yeah. As the chart looks great, just a continuous uptrend. No dips really. Maybe like 50% dip. Let's take a look. Oh, actually that's a 90% dip. So it did dump like crazy for once after its first wave. And this is a crazy second wave that we're seeing. Very interesting. First time I'm looking at this particular coin. But at some point I did see some people tweeting about it. Definitely going to be interesting in December. Really going to be interesting. So this like more a hold type of a play. And people were shilling this at 400k, 22nd of November. And when I usually see good shows, I take a look at the X profile of the shiller because they of course might drop more of those great plays. And if they have done so consistently, I, might drop a follow. So he's shilling some really low cap, low key type of plays. He's not very active. But yeah, crazy performance for sure. And what a coin like ChillFam needs is like a big trader, like a famous influencer to buy in. And that actually happened earlier today. And the coin instantly went like 3x because people were copy trading it, I suppose. I mean, him, some sort of an influencer. This one at 70 million. Interesting, just 1 day old coin. Haven't even seen it yet. Universal Basic Compute. Audit report completely in the clean. And the chart looks great. And yeah, guys, if you're not using Bullx yet, I do think it's hands down as the most superior platform available. Better than Trojan, better than Photon, I think Bullx is the most superior one. Simply has the most features. Some really great features. 70 million. This is a perfect coin for using Fibonacci. And as you can see here, we have a bullish bounce from 0.5 level. Actually, not really a bounce, it's really just holding the level. So we're going to see right now whether it's going to reverse back up or come back down to those heavy discount levels. I'm usually looking for big coins to reverse to 0.786 level, and then they usually have crazy bounces. However, if coins bounce back from point 0.5 or from 0.618, they usually tend to be way more bullish. But for this particular coin, I would first have to figure out why is it even pumping in the first place. Like the name is not really something I understand. 300-page novel made 100% autonomously by a team of 10 AI agents. Interesting. A team of AIs with full creative freedom. And yeah, AI is the narrative, really. Has been for weeks already. There are some crazy coins in hundreds of dollars in market cap. Agents. All of them are doing the work, creating the novel. It's probably done, or maybe not. Me, the characters. So in the novel, right? Characters in the novel. Definitely interesting. Open source project. Let's take a look at the X profile. But yeah, $100K market cap, I mean $100 million market cap in a day is very good. And Sayad is following this Twitter profile. And he's like the biggest number one I would say, meme coin YouTuber, and I really like the guy. And he's heavy into AI meme coins. So whenever I see him following, a meme coin of such, it's a good sign for sure. They do have some engagement. Yeah, this is great here. How many followers? 5K followers. People like AI stuff. That's for sure. Let's join the Telegram, see what's going on. 14 viewers. Welcome everyone. 4.5k members. I always check the pin messages because all the important information should be in here. Alright, let's go back to the chart. We'll keep this coin open. I mean, this looks great. Top 10 are holding just 12%, and this is good. Really early too. A very, very new coin. Explore section really is great. It's great for sure. $1, just buy $1 coin. I've heard about it before. And it kind of kickstarted a mini narrative as well. I've seen coins of such being launched today. Like, just buy one soul worth, or just like, we're speedrunning the coin to 10 million. So, this is like what kickstarted this narrative. This is the coin. We have this support level right here, and it's right at the support level. The volume looks very, very good. A very high volume. Just 3 days old too. Let's take a look at the socials. Oh yeah, it's Da Vinci. Yeah, the famous video. Now the X profile. CTO. Great. 11k followers. $100 million volume. And yeah, this is like cult kind of coin. I mean, the ticker itself, the name of the coin, is like cult-like. And cult coins are performing like crazy. Let's go back. Just buy $1 worth of this coin. 60k holders. Let's draw a Fibonacci tool and see what would be the potential entry. And actually, it has already bounced back from this perfect 0.786 level 2 times. So there is Fibonacci level and the support level almost colliding right here, which makes this level so much stronger altogether. Let me read some live chats. How long do you think before this bull run is over? At least half a year. That's what I would hope for. Maybe it's seasonal, could be interesting for the next Christmas as well. If Riz meme is still within the culture. Yeah, for sure. It's like a combination. It's like a TikTok meta coin, Riz, and Christmas. So it's like a double trend, double narrative. So it could stay around even after the Christmas. Wally. Let's quickly take a look at Wally. And then I'll read the next live chats. Thank you for being here, guys. I really appreciate you. $7 million in market cap. Can Trump election play change in the market? Well, it has already played a big change actually, because right before the election and right after the election, and this is what caused the BTC pump. Like we went to almost 100k thanks to the election, because prior to that we were at 70k, so we gained 30%. BTC did gain 30% after the election, and so did the Solana, of course, establishing a new all-time high, and the rest of the meme coins. And Trump has made promises to push BTC and cryptocurrency in the US, so that's very bullish news. And Elon Musk as well, he's like a big pusher of cryptocurrency. So that's of course good news for crypto. What setup do you recommend with Bullx, Phantom, something else, any specific exchanges you recommend or wallets? Just Phantom Wallet and Bullx. Those two things and you're good to go. And of course on Bullx right here, you can create as many wallets as you want. To my knowledge, the cap is like 10 or 20 wallets. So it's really, really great. And I like this audit report section because I feel like to new people who are new to trading, the retail, which is the vast majority, this is going to be of use for sure. This is going to be of use to people. And even I look at those things each and every single time and make sure the audit report section is completely, completely clean. New subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you. And if you are new, make sure to check out the videos that I'm posting because I explain very beginner friendly strategies in like 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm posting literally every single day. And at the start of the live stream, we're talking about Gal and ChillFam, and those coins are definitely worth looking into if you are assuming that Chill Guy will keep performing, which it will, because Binance is hopefully going to list it very, very soon. And then the next leg, I think, is going to be 2 to 3 billion, because Peanut went as high as 2.5 billion. So 5x when Binance listed Peanut. And let's take a look at Fred very quickly actually, because Fred was a better play for Peanut, like a duo. And we have a duo with Chill Guy and Gao. So it's Chill Guy and one unchill Gao. Great names. And you can see here, Fred, to my knowledge, this was before Peanut was listed, and when Peanut listed on Binance, Fred pumped in correlation with Peanut and did crazy, crazy gains from 25 million all the way up to about 300 something million, which is 12x, 13x. Quite good. And now it's sitting at 100 million. So something really similar looks to be happening with Chill Guy and this coin. So do your own research, but those coins really look like they're coiling up. They look very, very great. This coin, I think I was looking at it earlier, but I didn't really comment anything about it. But the dump here is very, very crazy. So when coins have such high volatility, I tend to avoid them because this chart completely looks like a pump and dump kind of a chart. So something more gradual and more consistent is what I prefer. Like Chill Guy, doesn't dump that much as you can see here and goes up over time. And this is like the exact opposite of a great chart. It of course can reverse, go for a second wave, but there is no structure. I can't analyze this coin in any given way. Like there is no point to do any sort of technical analysis, which works very well for 5 million, 10 million, $20 million market cap coins. Of course, when we're talking about new pump fund launches in like, dozen, a few dozen K market cap, the technical analysis, Fibonacci, resistance support, they don't really work as well. But when it comes to Bitcoins, when they have structure, technical analysis completely helps and works and should be something that you do because it's very simple to draw Fibonacci, support levels, resistance, and this all gives you a cue. When is the price of a coin cheap? When is the price of a coin expensive? And how can you know those things if you don't use any sort of tools to help you? And in that case, you don't. So you're just aping into a coin, not knowing whether the price is even good. So Fibonacci and support and resistances can give you that advantage of knowing when is a great entry. And of course, other traders see the same chart as you do, and they're looking at the same levels on their tools, on their TA. And this is how price action bounces from certain levels because people are looking for the same entries on Fibonacci, for example, or on the resistance levels. We can clearly see it with certain coins, but this one I'm going to close. It's of no use. Let me read the live chat for a bit. And yeah, before I do so, this is a perfect example. So it's holding a support level, it's bouncing from the perfect 0.786 on the Fibonacci. So people are looking at those levels. And how you can use Fibonacci is you either draw it from the beginning of the chart to the all-time high if you're looking at very long-term time frames. However, what I prefer to do is draw the Fibonacci from the last push to the upside to the all-time high. So very simple to use. You can get Fibonacci from left-hand corner right here, Fib retracement. And you want to look at 0.618 and 0.786, those two levels. Do you think Chill Guy could hit 3 billion? Absolutely. At least Peanut did hit 2.5 billion before and during the Binance listing. So it's now currently at a billion. But it was at 500 million, just like Chill Guy. And the coins, have proven to do 2, 3, 4, 5x when they list on Binance. Because simply they become more easily tradable for other people. So more holders can come in, and of course it's massive bullish news. And in that case, when it happens, the coin becomes like a household coin. So it's an established coin if it manages to get such a listing on Binance. So it just means that it's not going away. It's not likely to dump to zero anymore. It's already too big. Too many people hold the coin, the market cap is huge, so coins which are listed on Binance and have multiple billion market caps, they usually stay on top. Like at least in this cycle, they're going to be around. Like we can see here, Pepe, Bonk, Whiff, Floki, Popcat, Peanut, Morg, Goat, Mew, so many of those coins which achieved the Binance listing are now staying on top of the meme coin list. And Chill Guy, yeah, it is going to get listed on Binance very soon, hopefully. I'm going to repeat myself again, but they are now, you can now trade Chill Guy already on Binance Futures. Chill Guy Binance. So that's already massive bullish news. As you can see here, huge engagement as well. Huge engagement. And yeah, like Mr. Beast was tweeting about Chill Guy. Like, let's take a look at that. Mr. Beast, Chill Guy. Can we find the tweet? Yeah, you can see it right here. Ninja, I'm just a chill guy who likes to get a low tape fade. Biggest meme of our lifetime. So Mr. Beast reacted to Chill Guy. This is great news. This is bullish. I'm not sure if Elon Musk has yet noticed Chill Guy. Let's take a look. I'm not even quite sure. This, of course, would be bullish as well. Elon Musk likes Chill Guy meme. Good to see. He's just a chill guy and they hate him for it. Elon Musk laughing emojis. Elon Musk pushing chill guy. Yeah, the same picture. Thread. I'm going to close thread. This one we can keep it open. And yeah, by the way, if you don't have access to Bullx, you can use the link in the pinned live chat message or in the description. And if it does put you to this waitlist, because this is invite only, you can just paste the link in the chat and then you should be getting access to Bullx. So I was confused at first when I got Bullx myself, and in that case, if it puts the waitlist, just paste the link. Hi Nick, hi Sohib Ben, welcome. Thanks for all the info. You're welcome. Welcome Alfares. How much should I spend on each trades as a minimum? Well, rule of thumb is at least like 0.5 or 1 sol. 0.5 or 1 sol. And you don't really need more. You don't really need to join with 10 sol. In fact, that's too much. You know, when it comes to smaller coins, it would even bump the price to astronomical levels, and that wouldn't be great. So, bigger coins you can ape more and do it step by step. So, don't go all in at once. For example, if you want to put 0.5 SOL into GAO, don't put it right away. Put 0.25 first to DCA in case the price goes down, you can buy again. So I'm looking to buy into GAL again in case it goes down, just to get an average entry, because it's simply hard to tell, and in fact impossible to tell, when is the perfect entry. So we can't expect a perfect entry, we can just DCA, get an average entry, and hold the coin for a few days. That's my strategy. And then sell, and if it goes to dump heavy, then of course stop losses. Hey Nick, you're very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have sent your request on Discord. Yeah, I'll take a look. I'm just not using Discord at the moment. I haven't been using Discord for like 4 months. I used to have a group, but it's now really inactive. But yeah, I'm looking to live stream for the next few days at least, for like an hour or two a day. Because I feel like there are news to cover again, there are new plays again, and I used to live stream daily 4 months ago, but then, the following months, before October, it just was really dry. The market was dry, there were not many great plays. But now, as we have BTC pumping, Solana pumping, major meme coins pumping. Now it's good again. Like now, it's the best time to trade. That's why I'm live streaming. There literally hasn't been a better time to trade. And besides using this explore section, there also is pump vision on Bullx, which I really like to use. It's better than this pump fun interface, which really is annoying because you can't filter coins whatsoever. They only have those filters, but they really are of no use. The best, setting here is featured, but you can't sort the market cap, the developer holding percentage. But here, it's very, very clean and clear. So new creations, which are coins that launched seconds ago, then about to graduate are coins which are right at about the graduation threshold at about 100k, and that depends on Solana's current market price, so that is fluctuating. And coins are shown that are near to that threshold. And then there is the graduated section where coins that have reached the migration level and are now lively tradable on dexes like Radium, they're all shown here. I'm quickly going to show my filters if you need them. I undo the moonshot and I put 80k minimum market cap to this graduated filter. About to graduate, I just have developer holding 10% at most. So here, pretty much no filters. And right here, I currently have market cap minimum 8.5k because I do want to filter out some of the trash because the default market cap that the coins launch at is 7k. So just a few thousand above that allows me to filter out coins with essentially no volume. And maximum market cap 30k for this new creations tab section. And I'm changing those filters depending on what I feel, depending on what I see, and yeah, just depends on the strategy. Those can be adjusted according to your own liking. I have point to, so which should I buy now? Well, first of all, no financial advice, but I'm looking at Gao. Gao, I think, is a great play if Chill Guy will perform, which I assume it will. And a riskier gamble is Chill Fam because it dumped, it was a rock pool, now it's a CTO, and the price is so cheap compared to what it was before. And it was at 25 million, but this is the gamble of the gambles, so very risky type of play. Do you have Telegram? I do have a Telegram course channel, but it's really inactive. I used to post daily on there 4 months ago, but now I'm just getting back to making some calls. And today called Gao and Shilfam. So you already know the plays of today. Pop guy popping off following the meta could be a runner. Let's take a look. The name is great. It's certainly in the narrative. Pop guy. 23 minutes ago, $400k in market cap. Yeah, there is this one issue, but this depends on how comfortable you are to trade with top 10 holders holding this much. But my usual maximum is 30%. So this is slightly over the top. It's too much. The chart looks great. The volume is alright, but it's going to the downside. 24 minutes old, 250 holders. Unfortunately, no socials. Popping chill guy. The issue is those pump fun coins in the narrative. I don't think they run more than 500k to a million. Like, I just can't imagine this coin going, doing anything more than like a million. Just because we already have like Chill Gao, Chill Fam, and coins of such, even Chill Girl. So it's like late to the narrative. Chill Gao was launched 7 days ago, and Chill Gao, I mean Unchill Gao, was launched 7 days ago as well, and Chill Fam 7 days ago. So this coin, short term, it can perform here for a few waves, but I wouldn't hold it long term. So I wouldn't really invest into this at this point anymore. But of course, profits have been made, and that's nice. On 3x, that's great, congratulations. Hopefully, you take your profits. Because you, of course, have to assume that literally 99% of the coins that you see are going to go down to zero. I really want to emphasize this. You always have to trade with the assumption that the coins are going down to zero, because most coins do. As simple as that. So it's about making quick ins and outs. And depending on the coin, you can hold it for a few hours, or for a few days, or for a few weeks, or longer. Just depends on the coin, the market cap, and this coin's case. So Chill Guy is like months hold. It's like you can hold this coin for months and potentially for years. But Pop Guy is like a few minutes type of hold. So this coin is really um, liking this 0.786 level. Let's see if it bounces again. How can I find the correct Gal and Chill Fan? Because there are a million. Just search up Gao in the search bar. And this should be the first one. Check the market cap. Make sure it's 10 million when it comes to Gao, and when it comes to Chill Fam, it should be 360k as I'm speaking. Been a fan for a year, glad you're back. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate this. Yeah, let's see. Let's check a few more new coins, and then we're going to wrap up the live stream. So make sure to subscribe if you're new, because I'm going to go live maybe later today again in a few hours. Or if not today, then for sure tomorrow. And tomorrow I also have a new video coming about creating a meme coin trading bot with ChatGPT and Python. So it's a 7-minute video, and there have been a bunch of influencers who are shilling that they made this ChatGPT bot and that it makes them loads of money. So I just made a video about that, and I think it's going to be very exciting for you traders. And lately I've been really liking to look for coins in this graduated section, because I've seen quite a bunch of coins which just graduated and then went on having crazy pumps with crazy volume. So I'm really looking at this graduated section and looking for coins with the highest volume. And the faster they got to graduate, the better. So if the coin has been trying to graduate for hours or for days even, then it wouldn't be worth it at all, because the coin has no explosive volume. But a coin which graduated in like 5 minutes, for example, from 7k to 100k to radium, and then is pumping, that is what I'm looking for. For example, this one may be 18 minutes old and it's currently at 500k, and you can see that the volume is very, very good. Very good volume. So I'm looking to cash those coins after they graduate at 100k. And this coin didn't even have a dip, as you can see here. So the strategy really is to up the slippage when it comes to trading such high volume coins. 30. This is what I have. And priority fee, if it doesn't go through, I'll just up it more to this, for example. But take a look at this right here. Bullx is actually showing you what is the suggested gas fee that you should use. And some people claim that the fees are high, on Bullx. However, you can adjust them yourself. So just press on this gas, button, and then you'll have this right here. So you can adjust your fees, so you're not overpaying. And fees are great. They're cheap. Like my fee is about $1 per transaction. So there are no high fees whatsoever. And if you use the link, you should get like minus 10% from the fees that you pay. So that at least helps to an extent. And you need at least $50 or $100, right? Because if you're trading with $5 or $10, which I for a reason see a lot, it just means that you're missing out on your profits. You're paying gas fee of a few dollars, which just makes you lose loads of your trading capital. So you can't trade with as little as $5 or $10. At least 50 or 100. Ideally 0.5 sol or 1 sol. But be prepared to lose it because it's risky. And like before I made any money, I first had to lose a bunch of money. And then I learned, and then I became better. So don't expect to make money from the first try here. You first need to make mistakes, gain some experience, gain some knowledge, learn, and then you're going to crush it. So it's really all about consistency. If you lose, you got to try again. You lose twice, try again. You lose 3, 4, 5, 10 times, you try again. And then eventually, it's really just a matter of persistence and a matter of time till you succeed. So yeah, just look at it from that perspective. If you keep trying, it's really a matter of time. But if you try once and you give up, then of course, nothing will change. For example, those two are interesting because they made it to Radium. They're about to migrate, and they were launched 2 minutes ago. So that's interesting. Let's open those two coins. Got to make sure that those are not rock pools as well. Top 10 holders 57%. This is very, very bad actually. Usually I settle for not at least, but at most 30%. This is a bit too much. Doesn't mean it can't perform, but it does mean that the price can dump very quickly. And this coin is live now, but let's take a look at the audit report. Liquidity pool not burned. This is an issue. So was it launched in Pump Fun? Radium Pump Fun. Alright, interesting. Top 10, 26%. This coin I wouldn't trade either actually. Wouldn't trade it either. Not sure why this... Oh yeah, this is about to migrate still. So let's keep an eye on this one. Let's see what's going to happen. But of course, you never should trade such a coin with this amount of top 10 holding. How can we connect so that I know you are online. The best way is to turn on notifications on YouTube. You should be getting one each time I'm going live, to my knowledge. Send your wallet here for a tip. No need tips, thank you so much though. If you want to support, you can use my referral link, Bullx one, because you actually make a commission from every single trade. That's just something extra, just some passive income, and you can do the same actually. I really suggest you, because you can get some passive income and fund your gambles. Extremely risky plays that you want to ape into. You can use that, F money that you don't really care about. And as you can see here, this coin completely dumped, which was expected. Top 10 are holding a lot. This as well is in the red, and the developer sold. So yeah, let's close that one. This one is somewhat performing, but doesn't really have explosive volume coming in, which is an issue. Like, I prefer that when coins graduate to radium, that they launch right away. They send to 150, 200, 300k, and then they are likely to send to a few million. And I've seen some coins do that today. One I was looking at, but I did not enter for some reason, was Shill. This coin, straight after graduation, as you can see right here, just straight up went to 2 million and more, which is absolutely crazy. Right after graduation, with no dips whatsoever, just straight candles. So this was like a 20x in I don't know how many minutes, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So I'm looking for coins with extremely high volume when they graduate. So when they start consolidating or going down to like 30k, they usually won't ever recover. Just keep that in mind, that most coins are headed down to zero, unless they have crazy volume. So yeah, this was more than 20x. Very, very nice play if you manage to catch such a coin. Where are you from? I'm from the Baltics, so Europe, essentially. Which one is better, DEX or Bullx? Definitely Bullx, because DEX screener is just charts, but Bullx is really everything all together. It's just the full package. Like, you can buy and trade, buy and sell here, you can trade here, you can do everything here. So it's really between Bullx, Photon, and Trojan, of which I think Bullx is for sure superior to all of them. So I wouldn't even compare it to DEX Screener. DEX Screener is just the charts. And the charts, by the way, on DEX Screener are 20 seconds in delay. So if you're looking at fast-paced tokens with loads of volume, you won't be able to snipe them, because the price can go up so much or down so much in those 20 seconds. So I would actually say you're at a disadvantage if you're looking at DEX Screener. Where can I see the price of the coin in the chart, and what are the bubbles in the plot? So the price of the coin, you can see this is the market cap. So MKT cap, this is the market cap. And you can see the price from here as well. It's market cap, so it's the same thing. The bubbles right here are developer bought and developer sold. So the blue one is when the developer buys this coin, and the orange one is him selling the coin. Rismus. Yeah, I already took a look at Rismus, and it does look very, very good. It's now on my little watch list, and I'm going to open it again. And subscribe, guys, if you're new, because I'm going to go live every single day, and I'm posting every single day. And yeah, Bullx, we have a link in the live chat message if you don't have it yet. Rismas looks very good. We do have the resistance here at 46 million, and it's about to approach it. So it's going to be interesting for sure, because the chart does look very bullish. Just like higher lows, a continuous uptrend, as there was like one major dip of like, I don't know, 60%, but this is a very healthy chart. Really a perfect chart. So my current plays are Chill Fam and Gao, on Chill Gao, which I think go hand in hand with Chill Guy. So I'm really hoping that Chill Guy is going to continue performing, which I think it will, for sure. And yeah, this is a coin, did 20x today. I didn't catch it, but coins which are about to graduate are really OP. And you can look at graduated coins right here. And no one else, to my knowledge, has such good features, you know? It's just Bullets. Photon is close second, but yeah. This coin, 8 minutes old, $300k in market cap, most likely has some good volume. And as you can see, it's true, but the developer just sold, hence it's dumping. So yeah. When developer sells, if it's a developer, if the developer sells, if the project is related to developer, then it of course will dump. However, if the project can do well without the developer, like it has a great ticket, it's just a meme of like an animal of some sort, then it can perform without the developer. But if it's a developer driven project, if it needs a developer, then of course when he sells, it's a bad sign. But for a community driven coin, developer selling in fact is a good sign. So it all depends on the ticker and on the project. Hence you should research the socials and what it's about, so that you know when developer sells, is it a good or a bad sign. Do you put a limit, and how are you doing? What are your rules? A limit like a stop loss. I usually just have a 30% stop loss, like in my mind. I'm just looking at support levels, and if a coin goes to a free fall, if it falls below the support levels more than 30% or 20% in some cases, then I just cash out and accept my loss. Because if you take a loss of 20 to 30%, it's not that hard to make it back with like a 2x, for example. But I do have to say, guys, that now I actually have to go. I'm going to the gym, but I did enjoy this live stream. I hope you guys did too. Make sure to like this live stream before you leave and follow the channel, because I'm going to live stream more and post more videos. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and use the Blex link in the description or the live chat. Thank you so much, guys, and see you soon.